Now we'll discuss, in this video we'll discuss one important topic of engineering physics, mechanics, modes of vibration of stretch string clamped at both ends and harmonic waves we see here. So, when a stretch string of length L, here also we take an ideal string, when it is clamped at the both ends, because it is stretched, the tension developed in the string is T, and the linear density of this string is mu. Mu is the linear density. Okay. So, here few boundary conditions we have to consider. See, this is at x is equal to 0, say the length of the string is L, it is at x is equal to L. At x is equal to 0, the particle displacement y is 0. Similarly, at x is equal to L, the particle displacement again 0. So, when wave starts over here and ends here, at these 2 points where it is clamped, the displacement of the particle is 0, that is amplitude is, there is no displacement, y is 0. Okay. Now, we will see a general solution, maybe like y is equal to a1 sin omega t minus kx plus a2 sin omega t plus kx, b1 cos omega t minus kx plus b2 cos omega t plus kx. A general solution may be like this. Okay. Combination of all harmonic functions, sine and cos. So, initially let us applying first boundary condition. This is first boundary condition, this is second boundary condition. We will apply first boundary condition over here, then y is 0 at x is equal to 0. So, we get a1 sin omega t plus a2 sin omega t plus b1 cos omega t plus b2 cos omega t. So, if you take sin omega t common, a1 plus a2 into sin omega t plus cos omega t, if you take common, b1 plus b2 is into cos omega t is 0. Okay. Sin omega t and cos omega t cannot become 0. Only possibility is a1 plus a2 must be 0, and it gives a1 equal to minus a2. And also b1 plus b2 possibility is 0, so it gives b1 equal to minus b2. Let us substitute these values in this equation. Okay. So, when you substitute the value over there, y is equal to, we get a1 sin omega t minus kx minus a2 is minus a1 sin omega t plus kx. Similarly, b1 cos omega t minus kx minus b1 cos omega t plus kx. We are substituting a1 and a2 and b2 values in this equation. We got this. Let us expand this one. By here we can take a1 common. When you expand this, sin a minus b sin a cos b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, minus a1 is taken common, sin a plus b, sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus we get actually, because minus is there, minus cos a sin b. right? And b1 you take common over here. If you take b1 common, cos a cos b, cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos omega t cos kx plus sin omega t sin kx minus cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos omega t cos kx minus, actually minus is there, so minus minus again becomes plus, cos sin omega t sin kx. So here we get y sin omega t cos kx, sin omega t cos kx, we can cancel these two terms. Remaining is minus 2a1 cos omega t sin kx. Here cos omega t cos kx, we can cancel these two terms. We get plus 2b1 sin omega t sin kx. Okay, so we can take y is equal to minus 2 sin kx. If we take common, here a1 cos omega t plus b1 sin omega t. Okay, this is the thing we get over here. 2 sin kx cos a1 cos omega t minus taken common over here. So this is some equation number. Okay, now we'll apply boundary condition over here, the second boundary condition. Applying second boundary condition over here, what is second boundary condition? At x is equal to L, y is 0. So y is 0 minus 2 sin kl into a1 cos omega t minus b1 sin omega t. See, in this equation, if you want to get 0 over here, this term will not become 0. a1 cos omega t minus b1 sin omega t cannot become 0. Only possibility is sin kl must be 0. Only this is the possibility we have to get 0. So for what angles of kl it will become 0? For values of n pi, sin kl will be 0. So here we got k equal to n pi by l. And we have k, if you take k equal to 2 pi by lambda, I am writing completely over here, 2 pi by lambda in the sense v is equal to velocity equal to n lambda. So lambda is equal to v by n, let me write this is frequency nu, v by nu. So lambda, if I substitute over here, v by nu, this is equal to 2 pi nu by v. Let us equate these two equations. Then 2 pi nu frequency, nu is frequency, by v is equal to n pi by l. Pi we can cancel both the sides. Okay, nu equal to, we get n by 2l, n by 2l into v. But what is v? Transverse wave velocity along stretch string is root t by m. So here the frequency equation we got in terms of tension, and m is the linear density. You can write mu also if you want, because I have taken as mu t by mu. Here if n is equal to 1, okay, if n is 1, then that is first mode, n equal to 1, then 1 by 2l root t by mu we get. This is called fundamental frequency. Okay, first mode or fundamental frequency. Modes of vibration along stretch string we are discussing. This is first mode. At n equal to 1, the first mode frequency is this. or it is called fundamental frequency or first harmonic. N equal to 2, if you consider, the nu 2 can be written as 2 by 1 by 2L, no? So 2 nu. This is second harmonic or second mode or first overtone. In the similar manner, we can write, if it is taken as nu 1 east, nu 2 east, so on, 1 east, 2 east, 3. These are the harmonic waves. Their frequencies, different modes, or overtone frequencies, fundamental frequency, overtones, these things are related to this one. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can write in comment section, those will be answered. And please share among your friends, subscribe it, and we'll see another topic in another video.